Dance mat typing, typing R and U. What fingers do you use to type F and J? What fingers do you use to type R and U? Let's meet Ray the rooster and find out which fingers we use to type R and U.
Hello, chicken. I'm your next typing partner. Lucky old you, eh? Come on in and meet the family.
Follow Ray's instructions to learn the moves you'll need for typing. Look at the eggs on the bottom bar to see how far through you are.
First, I need to check that your fingers are on the home row. Pointing fingers on the F and the J, and line up your other fingers so they're all roosting on the home keys again. Now, can you remember how to type I and E? Stretch your middle finger up to the I, middle finger up to the E. Excellent! As you can type I and E, I can show you two more letters now, R and U. Are you ready? Pointing finger on the F, type F, G, and R, all with the same finger.
Oh, a top typist in the making.
I knew it! You are a high flyer. Now for your right hand. Pointing finger ready on the J, type J, H, and U, all with that same finger.
So what fingers do we use to type F and J? The pointer fingers. What fingers do we use to type R and U? That's right, the pointer fingers. And let's give a big thank you to Ray the Rooster for teaching us how to type R and U.
This ain't time for chicks to fidget.